Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have already done the base makeup and I have applied the Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer first. Next for the foundation, I took the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation and the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in 330 Toffee. For concealer, I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade medium and light, and to set the base, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade light medium. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking the L.A.Colors eyeshadow palette and taking this neutral shade right here. I'm applying it all over my eyelid and blending it all well. Also taking the same shade, I applied it on my lower lash line. Now taking this darker shade right here, I'm applying it on my lower lash line just to deepen it up a little bit more. Taking this Maybelline New York black gel eyeliner, I am creating a winged eyeliner. Starting close to the lash line. Then extending a line referring to the lower lash line. And slowly increasing the thickness. Now here I am taking this same darker shade and I'm just building up the shade and just deepening it up a little bit more. Now taking the Sugar mini bronzer, I'm just bronzing up my face. Taking the Maybelline New York With Me blush in shade Coral, I'm applying it on my cheekbones and also on the apples of my cheek. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just blending all together. I'm taking the Makeup Obsession highlighter, I'm applying it on the high points of my face. For lips, I am taking the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. For lashes, I am taking the Maybelline New York the Colossal Waterproof Mascara on my upper lashes and as well as on my lower lashes. And this is the final look.